Fuse switch unit and switch fuse unit are two different types of electrical devices used in electrical distribution systems. While they both serve the purpose of providing overcurrent protection and isolating a circuit, they differ in their construction and operation. A fuse switch unit combines a fuse and a switch into a single unit. The fuse provides overcurrent protection, while the switch allows for manual isolation of the circuit. The switch is typically operated by a handle or lever, which mechanically opens or closes the circuit. Fuse switch units are commonly used in low-voltage distribution systems, protecting equipment and circuits from short circuits and overloads. A switch fuse unit consists of a switch and a fuse that are installed separately in a single enclosure. The switch is operated independently of the fuse, allowing for isolation of the circuit without removing the fuse. The fuse is accessed by opening the enclosure, providing easy replacement and maintenance. Switch fuse units are used in higher voltage distribution systems, typically for substation and industrial applications. Let's now consider the key differences. Firstly, in a fuse switch unit, the fuse and switch are combined into a single unit, while in a switch fuse unit, they are separate components. Secondly, in a fuse switch unit, the circuit is isolated by opening the switch. In a switch fuse unit, the circuit can be isolated by either opening the switch or replacing the fuse. Thirdly, fuse switch units generally require less maintenance as the switch and fuse are integrated. Switch fuse units require more frequent fuse replacements as the fuse is independently accessible. Fourthly, fuse switch units are typically used in low-voltage distribution systems, while switch fuse units are used in higher voltage applications. Fuse switch units are commonly found in residential and commercial buildings, while switch fuse units are used in substations, industrial facilities, and power distribution networks.